Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark latest stable version, that is 4.6.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the web browser, then go to Wireshark official website, that is wireshark.org. See here the world's leading network protocol analyzer. Click on download now. Then see here the latest stable release is 4.6.0 and world stable release is 4.4.10. Then click on Ubuntu. We have to add this PPA to our system. So we have to run these two commands. So copy it, then open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter for adding repository. It is done. Ctrl L. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. All packages are up to date. Now install Wireshark latest stable version. Sudo apt get install Wireshark. Hit enter. Type FFI confirmation. See, it is going to install all these packages. Type FFI confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing Wireshark 4.6.0. See, we have successfully installed Wireshark. Now type Wireshark on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Wireshark. Then go to help, about Wireshark. See, we have installed Wireshark 4.6.0. Okay, this is the way to open. The other way is go to show applications. See, here we have the Wireshark. Click on it to open. See, we got the same. Okay, now if you want to capture the packets, click on the start capturing packets. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Wireshark latest stable version, that is 4.6.0 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.